Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download packaging templates from Avery Dennison, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Avery Dennison website. On the home page, navigate to the templates section. Click on the templates link to access the template library. Use the search bar to find specific packaging templates. Enter the type of packaging you need, such as labels, boxes, or envelopes. Press the Enter key or click the search icon. Browse through the list of available templates. Identify the template that best suits your requirements. Click on the template thumbnail to view more details. Review the specifications to ensure it meets your needs. Once confirmed, look for the download button on the page. Select the appropriate file format for your needs, such as PDF or Microsoft Word. Click the download button to initiate the download. Choose the destination folder on your computer to save the file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. Open the file using the appropriate software. Make any necessary adjustments to the template. You are now ready to use the packaging template in your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.